Canadians know this weather all too well. But this isn't Canada.
It's not usual for Southern California to have this kind of weather.
6 inches of snow.
Snow falling in parts of Southern California that are almost never coated in white.
Is this big enough?
Creating unfamiliar winter wonderlands that must be seen to be believed.
I live where there's like no snow ever.
Mountains, they're usually just brown, a few green things, never white.
The National Weather Service issuing a rare blizzard warning for the mountainous Los Angeles, Ventura, and San Bernardino counties, something not seen here in decades. In Los Angeles, the last blizzard warning was issued in 1989. As the snow piled up on the mountains, intense rain doused lower elevations, raising the risk of flash flooding in parts of the state. But even as forecasters described the storm as strong and potentially dangerous.
When we talk about snowfall rates of maybe 2, 3, or 4 inches per hour up in the mountains, that causes damage.
Californians flocked outside and embraced the storminess.
You know, just snow is fun.
Another rare sight in SoCal, what appeared to be snowflakes swirling around the Hollywood sign. Well, after a little investigation, the Weather Service said it was confident snow or graupel fell on Mount Lee, where the iconic sign sits. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.